Hello everyone, today we are unboxing Samsung Galaxy Tab S Lite. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, first thing you see is this thing. It covers in a Samsung logo. It looks like a cover. Oh yeah, okay, cool. It is a cover. Let's see how this opens. Alright, so that's how you're supposed to open this, I guess. Okay, you know what? We're going to talk about this later. Second thing you see here is the tablet itself. And yeah, we have to figure out a way how to open this, because all of them are the same. Okay, that's how you open this. Okay, alright. Wow, this looks neat. Wow, okay, so this is big. Alright, so this is the next thing you see there. Now, let me open this one as well and put it in there and see how it looks like. This is a Samsung Galaxy Tab 6 Lite. This is a really good one. I've been doing my research for a long time and I bought it today. This is usually used for notes, taking notes in college. Okay, so this is, so that's how you put it in there and it stacks. Wow, that's cool. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to remove that. We have this. Next thing we have is the charger adapter, and also we have the cable for your new Samsung charger and this cable. Okay, let's see what's there. Okay, this is the needle used for putting the external memory card in. In this box next to the needle as well. I will need the needle to open the spot for the external memory card, because this is just 64 GB and I have 256 GB memory card with me. I'm going to be using that. Next thing we have is a stylus. This is a Samsung original stylus. I'm gonna be using this a lot because I'm gonna be using the whole thing for the math, calculus taking notes, calculus notes, and all my online classes. And this goes here. Yeah, it stays there. That's very cool. Okay, I think that's it. That's all the things we have for Samsung Galaxy. Yep, that's all the thing that we have for Samsung Galaxy S Lite, yeah. Samsung Galaxy Tab S Lite. That's all the things we have. I'm gonna put these two. Yeah, I'm gonna need the charger.